Profitable trading requires character, and it is for this fundamental reason I feel like why most traders take over a year to be profitable, to become profitable. To be honest, you don't feel like it when you need to be consistently disciplined, but you have to do it anyways, right? And it is for those people who will be intentional and be consistent in being disciplined with their daily habits, because trading is a direct reflection of your life, a direct mirror of your life. Those people will see profitability from a wide range. Building the right characters in the market takes time. It might take 6 months, it might take 8 months minimum for the smartest people, not for the most intelligent one, because trading is about how smart you can be, how disciplined, how intentional, and how patient building the right character in the market. Most people can't be patient enough to build the right character for about a year. It might take you about 4 months to master technical analysis, but it will take you more than a year, a minimum of 8 or 9 months for you to master trading psychology, because you need to build this habit: contentment, discipline, emotional mastery. And those things, they don't come in a day. It comes over time. You need to start working on them on your everyday life. Like I said, you don't need to feel like it to be disciplined. You just need to do it anyways, because you're sacrificing what you want today for what you want tomorrow. And like I always say, sacrifice comes from a place of plenty, not from a place of less. If you want to increase your savings habit, you have to be disciplined enough to save regardless. During this period of you growing your psychology, you're going to face your worst demons. When I say a lot of unforeseen circumstances, they're going to present themselves, but you have to be disciplined regardless. It is during this period of about 8 months of which traders should work on themselves, put in their hard work, be consistent with building these habits: discipline, patience, contentment, humility, that they tend to be inconsistent, right? It takes a lot. It takes a lot to be a profitable trader, and these are some of the reasons why most traders can't be profitable building psychology. Wondering how to build discipline, start from your everyday life. Put activities during the day at specific times which you have to do them, and make sure you do those activities during the day for like at that specific time for the next 8 months regardless. Excuses are always going to be, but those people who excel in life, they do not take the excuses. And another way for you to actually be intentional, disciplined to follow these activities and these habits is being proactive. You think ahead of time. What is the worst thing that can happen to make me not to perform this activity at that time of the day? Maybe a daily recap, maybe coming on Zoom calls for mentorship classes, maybe teaching online, maybe doing your weekly recap, maybe going to the gym. Make sure you do these activities for about a year or about 7 months. I bet you, when you come now to the market, you find yourself executing your trading plan, your trading objectives so effortlessly. Because why? Trading is a direct mirror of your life. If you are disciplined in your life, you'll be able to be disciplined enough when you are sat on the chart. You cannot be indisciplined in your life and you want to be disciplined on the chart. It also goes with emotional mastery. Look for instances where you get more emotional and try to always be proactive. Think on how to solve that problem that you shouldn't be so emotional, or when you are so emotional, backtrack. What made me to be emotional in this state? And so that the next time when you're actually facing that same issue, you'll be able to be more emotional. If you can be less or totally unemotional with your daily habits, when you come on the chart, you'll be less or totally unemotional when you're on the chart. It takes time.